To pair a Bluetooth device to the 7-inch Ride Command touchscreen, follow these steps. For the first-time setup of a device, press the phone button on the dash and select Add Device. Next, turn your device's Bluetooth setting to on and put your device into pairing mode. Then, select your device once it appears on the bike's display. Continue by ensuring the numbers on your phone prompt match the numbers on the bike display. Then, accept the prompt on your phone. Additional prompts to sync your data may appear on your device. Select your desired settings as they appear. Your Bluetooth settings can also be accessed by selecting the Settings button and then selecting All Settings. Then select General Settings and Bluetooth Device Settings. Continue by tapping the Add Device button to bring up the pairing prompt. Next, turn your phone's Bluetooth setting to on and put your device into pairing mode. Then, select your device once it appears on the bike's display. Continue by ensuring the numbers on your phone match the numbers on the bike display. Then, select Confirm to finish the pairing process. If you encounter issues during pairing, cycle the power on your bike and repeat this procedure. To forget a device, tap the 3 vertical dots and select Forget. Then, confirm by pressing Forget. For a list of compatible devices, visit ridecommand.indianmotorcycle.com/en-us/supported-devices.